Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Kukua here on Kukuasinspiration as always. In this video, we will learn something about ginger. Something positive about ginger. Yes, you heard me right. Our good old ginger. Hopefully, this motivates, inspires, and help you in one way or the other. Now, let's go straight into the video. People have used ginger in cooking and medicine since ancient times. Ginger is a popular home remedy for nausea, stomach pain, and other health issues. People typically use fresh or dried ginger in cooking, and some take ginger supplements for their possible health benefits. Ginger may have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and other healthful properties. Ginger is a good source of antioxidants, but it does not provide many vitamins, minerals, or calories. Ginger does not provide protein or other nutrients, but it is an excellent source of antioxidants. For this reason, ginger can reduce various types of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when too many free radicals build up in the body. Free radicals are toxic substances produced by metabolism and other factors. The body needs to eliminate free radicals to prevent them from causing cellular damage that can lead to a range of diseases, including cancer. Dietary antioxidants help the body get rid of free radicals. Now, let's see the health benefits of ginger. Ginger reduces gas and improves digestion. Consuming ginger may help improve digestion and reduce gas. Several studies have investigated ginger's effect on the gases that form in the intestinal tract during digestion. Some research indicates that enzymes in ginger can help the body break up and expel this gas, providing relief from any discomfort. In addition, ginger may help increase movement through the digestive tract, and this may relieve or prevent constipation. Ginger relieves nausea. Some research indicates that ginger can help alleviate morning sickness and relieve nausea following cancer treatment. Other studies also show that taking a divided daily dosage of ginger extract helped alleviate symptoms of nausea. Ginger combats cold or flu. Many people use ginger to recover from a cold or flu. Fresh ginger may help protect the respiratory system, while dried ginger did not have the same impact. Ginger relieves pain. A research found out that a daily dosage of 2 grams of raw or heated ginger reduces exercise-induced muscle pain by about 25%. Ginger reduces inflammation. One group of researchers concluded that taking ginger by mouth is modestly efficacious and reasonably safe for treating inflammation caused by osteoarthritis. Ginger also supports cardiovascular health. There is some evidence that ginger extracts may help with cardiovascular diseases. Ginger also helps in weight loss. Are you trying to get rid of stubborn belly fat? It's time to start adding ginger into your diet on a daily basis. While most of us think of ginger when we have digestive issues, this spice can do wonders for reducing belly fat. In fact, ginger root plays a key role in weight loss by reducing your body's production of insulin, the hormone responsible for raising blood sugar levels. You can use both dried and fresh ginger based on your personal preference. Ginger's pound shedding power is that it helps you feel fuller and helps burn fat rather than just helping you lose water weight. So, how can you incorporate ginger in your daily meals? You can try it in a tea, smoothie, detox waters or drinks, and juices. Ginger is a stimulant just like caffeine, so in addition to flattening your tummy, it will give you the extra pep in your step, which can cause your body to burn even more fat. But remember, before adding more ginger to your diet or taking a ginger supplement, please consult a healthcare provider. A supplement may interact with medications or cause other health complications. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thanks so much for making time with me today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.